Ladies and gentlemen, the responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Let's acknowledge them with prizes. I would like to mention these medals are not made of gold, but are made of sweat, determination, and hard work.
Now, I would like to humbly request our respected Chief Guest, Brigadier General Mohammad Rafiqul Islam sir, to please give away the prizes among the winners. Please to accompany our Chief Guest. Of 29th Annual Athletic Meet 2026. Preschool boys 40-meter sprint. Second prize goes to Ahian Asfar. Ahian Asfar, KG Sunflower. Ahian Asfar, Sunflower. Salam, third position holder from KG Tulip. Roha Ibrahim. Third position goes to Tasneem Hussain Raisa, KG Marigold. Boys Biscuit Race. Second position goes to Ahian Asfar again. Ahian Asfar, KG Sunflower. Third position goes to Sheikh Muhammad Ahnaf Abrar, KG Sunflower. Okay, Biscuit Race girls. Second position goes to Paddoja Zhiri. Paddoja Zhiri will secure will get second position holder prize, and third position goes to Mansuba Khan, KG Sunflower. Okay, boys 50-meter sprint, standard 1. Second person goes to Moabin Rishma. Standard 1 Amelia. Second position holder Moabia Rishman. Third position goes to Shirzil Ahmed, 1 blue belt. $50-meter sprint. Standard 1, second position goes to Dayami Tazib Inaya, and third position goes to Rusafa Binti Karim, standard 1 Aurora. Frog jump, standard 1, second position goes to SM Abdullah Farasan. And third position goes to Hassan Zohan. Standard 1 Biscuit Race girls. Second position goes to Wafika Zahra Khan. And third position goes to Afifa Nawar from Standard 1 Blue Belt.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to, we are today giving away the second and third prize. Now it's time for standard 2. Ayan Moshe is getting second prize for 50-meter sprint. Ayan Moshe, standard 2. Second prize, Ayan Moshe. Mohammad Azian getting third prize. Okay. Now Raifa Iqbal getting second prize for 50-meter sprint. Congratulations, Raifa Iqbal. Zunaida Afseen getting third prize for 50-meter sprint. Congratulations, Zunaida. Umar Hassan will get second prize for frog jump. Come on. Omar Hassan, congratulations, Zunaida. Omar Hassan taking second prize for frog jump. Fidian Uzair Shakib taking third prize for frog jump.
Come on, this.
Now, class 3, Ayan Muhammad Sami taking second prize. Are you here, Ayan? Ayan taking second prize for 50 meter sprint from standard 3. Shafin Ahmed Shanin of standard 3 taking third prize for 50 meter sprint. Congratulations, Shafin. Naira Hussain taking second prize for 50 meter sprint. Naira Hussain taking second prize for 50 meter sprint. Ondrila Sarkar taking third prize for 50 meter sprint. Ondrila Sarkar taking third prize for 50 meter sprint. Next goes for Shafin Ahmed Sani of class 3 taking second prize for frog jump. Shafin Ahmed Sani taking third prize for frog jump. Razil Ardashid taking third prize for frog jump. Congratulations.
Moving to standard 4, 60 meter speed boys, Abdullah Ibn Islam, Corbezian, Abdullah Ibn Siam, and third position goes to Usaid Ahmad Khan. Usaid Ahmad Khan, please come forward. Usaid. 60 meter speed girls, second position goes to Shaina Mehnova Samanti, and third position goes to Rehnuma Binteria. Pair linked race, second position goes to Aya Sharaf, and third position goes to Sheikh Sahil Nawaz. Sheikh Sahil Nawaz from Penguin. Skipping race girls, second position goes to Anaya Zaman for Penguin. Anaya Zaman for Penguin. And third position goes to Usat Zarin Rafa from Florback. Okay, now girls 60 meter sprint. Second position goes to Kazi Raif Rafan, 5 Andes. And third position goes to Asfar Wahid, 5 Alaska.
Oh, I see. Congratulations.
Girls 60 meter sprint. Second position goes to Louisa Tabana. 5 Andes. Third position goes to Maimuna Rida Umayza, 5 Andes. Congratulations. 1 leg race. Qazi Raif Rafan, 5 Andes is second position holder. Third position goes to Asfar Wahid again, 5 Alaska. Asfar Wahid of 5 Alaska. Yes. Moving to skipping race. Girls, 5. Standard second position goes to Tasmi Ali, 5 Andes. Tasmi Ali, 5 Andes. And third position goes to Sudhata Babe, 5 Alaska. Sudhata Babe, 5 Alaska.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now go for standard 6. Second position goes to Yasin Arafat for 60 meter sprint. Yasin Arafat. Sultan Ash gets third prize for 60 meter sprint. Sultan Ash. Okay, Mugdha Sudha, second prize. Mugdha Sudha, class 6, second prize for 60 meter sprint. Ariana Afrin Khan, class 6. Ariana Afrin Khan, 60 meter sprint. Congratulations, Ariana. Ridwan Al Mahmood, second prize for long jump. Ishan Khondokar, third prize for long jump. Shohadrita Trivedi, second prize for Pyanle. Zawata Afnan, third prize for Pyanle. Mr. Shafarat Ahmed, second prize for 100 meter sprint. Mir Shafarat. Iron Ibn Omar, third prize for 100 meter sprint. Raisha Rahmatika, second prize for 100 meters sprint. Okay, Ayan, congratulations. Raisha Rahmatika. Raisha Rahmatika is taking second prize for 100 meters sprint. Maisha Muntaha for third prize for 100 meters sprint. Ayan Ibn Omar, second prize for long jump. Congratulations, Maisha. Ayan Ibn Omar. Ayan Ibn Omar, second prize. Class 7, second prize. Rahil also, class 7, third prize for long jump. Rahil also, third. Nushaha Newas, class 7, second prize for long jump. Nushaha Newas, second prize, class 7, long jump. Afrana Tanannum Kiana, class 7, third prize for long jump. Congratulations.
Standard 8, boys, 100 meter sprint. Second prize, Mahmudul Hasan Rifat, 8E. Third prize goes to Yasin Munir. Congratulations, both of you. 100 meter sprint girls. Second prize, Sayeda Zohana, standard 8. Sayeda Zohana. And third prize goes to Samira Zaman, standard 8. Samira Zaman, standard 8. And now, boys long jump. Second prize, Mahmudul Hasan Rifat, standard 8. Rifat. And congratulations, Rifat. This is the third prize you are receiving from our chief guest today. Third prize goes to Naushan Tausif. Long jump girls, second prize, Mahira Khan. Mahira Khan. Third prize, Arisha Naziba Chaudhary. Arisha Naziba Chaudhary, please come forward. 100 meter sprint boys. Second prize, Tasan Rafi. Tasan Rafi, second prize. And third prize goes to Wafiq bin Tariq. Wafiq bin Tariq, third position holder. Moving to 100 meter sprint girls. Second position goes to Zuaina Alvina. Congratulations, Zuaina. Third position goes to Niyama Zunaida Hassan. Okay, standard 9. Standard 9 long jump boys. Second prize, Sadman Sakib. Sadman Sakib, second prize. Run, please. Okay, third prize, Wafiq bin Tariq. Wafiq bin Tariq, third prize 9. Okay. Girls long jump, standard 9. Second position holder, Tasnim Alam. And third position goes to Isa Karim Raisha.
Okay, now we will go for class 10. Mihal Ahmed Wajin, the second prize for 100 meter sprint. Mihal is an SSC candidate. Please play. Ridwan Siddiq, third prize for 100 meter sprint. Congratulations, Mihal and Ridwan. Ridwan, are you there? Okay, then Mihal, don't leave. Second prize, Mihal Ahmed Wajin for long jump. Nihal, congratulations, beta. Okay, now Ridwan Siddiq taking third prize for 100 meter sprint. Nihal, you are needed again. Second prize for long jump. You have the long legs. Nihal, second prize, Nihal for long jump. Huge round of applause. And Ishrar Ilman receiving third prize for long jump of class 10. Ishrar Ilman. Congratulations, Ishrar. Okay, now girls side, Zeba Tasmia Zara receiving second prize for long jump. Congratulations, Zeba. We have witnessed her dance also. Okay, Liva Natik Dhoritri is receiving third prize in long jump, plus 10. Liva Natik Dhoritri. Okay, Kandokar Tasim for second prize in long jump boys from 11. Tasim, are you here? Kandokar Tasim. Sorry. We are not calling as because the boys are giving exam. 11 is giving exam. So we go to 11 Subaita Jannat giving exam. We have Arza Haq, A2, third prize 100 meters sprint. Arza Haq, we all know one of the best athletes. Congratulations, Arza. Then we have Abrar Hossain Rayat, 11. Abrar Hossain Rayat, second prize, receiving second prize. Go to sir. Abrar Hossain Rayat for long jump. Itaz Afnan from 11, the long jump. Subaita Jannat, 12. Subaita Jannat. Arza Haq, again. Arza Haq, I think it is try to call Arza Haq from long jump, third prize. Okay, I call upon again Khaldokar Tasim, 11, second in long jump, and Mushfiqul Azam third in long jump.
Second prize goes to Greenhouse, Afra Karanam Kiana, Maisha Motaha, Tasnim Alom, Samira Sultana, Saburi. Greenhouse, second prize goes to Greenhouse, and Red House is receiving third prize. Moima Natik Prutichi, Sayada Zuhana, Niyama Zunaira Hassan, and Aftara Nawal Nazar. Red House, be ready for the third prize. Dr. Mosudullah House, third prize goes to Red House. Moama, Zuhana, Niyama, and Aftar. Relay race college level. Second prize goes to Humaira Greenhouse, and the members are announcing relay race for the girls college level. Greenhouse is second position holder, and the members are Humaira, Anusha, Antara, and Ahuna. Humaira, Anusha, Antara, and Ahuna. So they have exam. Blue House will be receiving third prize. Adiba. Okay. Antara is there. Okay. And now Blue House is receiving third prize. Adiba, Kashmir, Raisa, and Anisha. Beam Sreshto, Mothuraman House is receiving third prize. And the members are Adiba, Kashmir, Raisa, and Anisha.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be starting today's our 16th December Victory Day prize distribution. We have many competitions on 16th day. So we would like to start with very primary level. At the AS and college level, the second prize goes to Big Srishto Moyuddin Jahangir House, Greenhouse. Humaira Hussain, Anusha Fairoz, Antara Raida, Ahona Anjum Ginte Enam. And the Ahona Anjum Ginte Enam. Ahona, you name this, the college people. Congratulations. Congratulations. Big Srishto Moyuddin Jahangir House. Okay, and the third prize goes to Big Srishto Motir Rahman House, Adiba Raisa Islam, Taskia Taslim, Raisa Nuri, and Anisha Yunus. Congratulations, all of you. So that was from the second and third prize of the sports season. Now we will be shifting to Victory Day 16 December.
Starting from Nursery Art Competition, Progna Dev. First person goes to Progna Dev. Progna, Zaharan Imtiaz. Second person goes to Zaharan Imtiaz. And third person goes to Sarah Mariam. Moving to KG now, Sadiq Abdullah, first position holder for art competition in 16 December, Victory Day. Second prize goes to Abdu Shah. Abdu Shah, second prize holder, KG Tulip. And third person goes to Farabi Hassan. Farabi Hassan, KG. KG Farhadi Hassan. Okay, now standard 1. Art competition in observing system December repeated. Arisha Tasbin. 1. Avena Arisha. First position goes to Arisha. Second position goes to Rufaida Alvina. Standard 1. Rufaida Alvina. And Itzi Imroz. Third position goes to Itzi Imroz. From 1 Aurora. Itzi Imroz. Standard 2, Mehrab Hussain, 2 Kuku. First position goes to Mehrab Hussain. Second position goes to Sinayat Aideen. And Faraz Hassan, third position holder. Faraz Hassan. Standard 3-4 together. Tahan Siddiqui. First position goes to Tahan Siddiqui. Congratulations, Tahan. Second position holder, Rizit Dotto. And third position goes to Ali Poromita Zabin for PGN. Okay, moving to standard 5, Caspia, Ali Poromita Zabin. Caspia Zaman, 5 band is first position holder. Second position goes to Abhilasha Ghosh. Second position holder. And Anonna Alvina. 5 Podda Anonna Alvina, third position goes to Anonna Alvina.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am again moving to the 29th annual athletic meet, second and third prize. We missed the class 6. So class 6 athletes, are you ready? Second and third prize winners. Okay, second prize goes to 60 meters sprint, Yasin Arafat. Second prize. Okay, come. We don't want to miss you. Very good. Brilliant. Sultan Arsh. Third prize goes to Sultan Arsh, 60 meters sprint. Very good. Okay, standard 6. Mugdhu Subha. Second prize for 60 meters sprint. Mugdhu Subha, girls. Mugdhu, are you there? Mugdhu Subha. Ariana Afrin Khan. Third prize, girls, 60 meters sprint. Ariana Afrin Khan. Congratulations. Okay. Ridwan Al Mahmoud. Class 6, second prize for long jump. Ridwan Al Mahmoud. Ishan Kondokar, class 8, third position for long jump. Great job done, little champs. Okay. Now, Shohatrita Tribedi Purna, class 6, second prize for prayer leg. Shohatrita Tribedi Purna. I hope I pronounced well. Purna, are you there? Second prize prayer leg. Zawata Afnan. Third prize for prayer leg. Now standard 7, moving to standard 7. Mir Sharfarat Ahmed, second prize for 100 meter sprint. Mir Sharfarat Ahmed for 100 meter sprint. Ayan Ibn Omar for third prize for 100 meter sprint. A huge congratulations. Now girls, Raisha Rahmatika, standard 7, second prize for 100 meter sprint. Raisha Rahmatika, standard 7. 100 meter sprint. Maisha, 100 meter sprint. Maisha Muntaha, are you there? Okay, now time for long jump. Maisha Muntaha, third prize for 100 meter sprint. Ayan Ibn Omar, standard 7, second for long jump. Ayan Ibn Omar. Rahil also, standard 7, for third prize for long jump. Congratulations. Now, Mushaha Nawaz, standard 7, girls, second prize for long jump. Mushaha, are you there with us? Mushaha? Okay, Afra Tarannum Kiana. Okay, we have Afra Tarannum Kiana, third prize for long jump, girls. Congratulations all of you. We are again shifting to the victory game. In the competition, the topic for standard 6 to 8 was the pride of Bangladesh. The first prize goes to Zubaida Siddiq, class 7. Pride of Bangladesh. Zubaida Siddiq, first prize. Saida Manha, second prize. Second position goes to Saida Manha. Congratulations. And the third prize goes to Adiba Abrar Chaudhary. Essay competition, Dream to See, class 9 to 12. Essay competition, The Country I Dream to See, Peaceful, Prosperous and Proud. The first position goes to Jarif Adnan, class 9. Jarif Adnan, congratulations. And we love your painting too. The second prize goes to Toki Yasser Ayman. Ayman, the ornamental boy, the perfect school prefect. Congratulations. The third prize goes to Adib Islam, class 9E. Adib Islam, congratulations.
Moving to victory, the volleyball competition champion house is Red House. I'm announcing the name one of another. Arzaha, Arisha, Kamal, Muntaha, Bhima, Samira, Isra, Maisara, Sarina, Safwana, Faiza, Razia, and Zanil. They have got championship prizes for the volleyball tournament. From the boys' side, okay, Red House champion, volleyball tournament held in Victory Day, 16th December.
Now come from.
Okay, the boys, are you ready? The champion side goes to Dr. Muhammad Shoaibullah House. Okay, we can see the proud girls. They also are from the Red House, Dr. Muhammad Shoaibullah House. Very good. A proud moment for all of you. Now the boys side. These are volleyball champions. So the Mushfiq is written, but I will call you Abrar Labib Mushfiq. Please come. Abrar Labib Mushfiq. Okay, always alert with his long legs. Kazwar, Arab, Mahir, Ayan and Ishwar. Congratulations. The champion on Victory Day. Now we have the poster making competition. I would like to say that the theme was success through practicing patriotism, ethics and values. Okay, we can see a proud moment for the Red House taking picture with Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir and Ma'am. Congratulations. Now, sir, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving to a very, very special event, which is an humble initiative taken by the Law area to develop moral values and ethics among the students. So the theme is success through practicing patriotism, ethics and values. And on this, we have organized many events such as poster making competition. So quiz competition and this way. So I take the name Alisha Manzoor, first position. Goes to Alisha Manzoor in poster making competition, standard 1. Farishta Ferdoz, second position. Farishta Ferdoz, second position. And third position goes to Ayana for poster making. Success through practicing patriotism, ethics and values. Poster making competition standard 2. Rehnuma Ahsan, first position goes to Rehnuma Ahsan. Second position holder Rupam from standard 2 and Ruaida Ibad from standard 2. Ethics and moral values competition, quiz competition, standard 3. Muzaira Nurad, standard 3 Muzaira Nurad. Quiz competition on ethics and values. Safira Nawar Hassan, second position goes to Safira. Third position holder Mabrin Sarwar Sharika. Okay. Quiz competition on ethics and moral values. Standard 4, Wadi Shahir bin Hussain, 4 Pelican. Wadi Shahir, 4 Pelican. Second position goes to Khadija binti Arifi.
And third position, Salvia Ibn Titi.
Now the quiz test for all ethics and moral values, standard 5. The first position goes to Mushfira Arfi. Mushfira Arfi, congratulations. Then the second position goes to Zuhaina Mariza Tariq. And the third position goes to Arham Sabi. Thank you for voluntarily participating voluntarily. Now the quiz test competition class 6. The first position goes to Farhan Junaid Khan. Farhan Junaid Khan. The quiz competition basing on moral. Bukhari bin Kashif is here. The second position. The third position goes to
Seven, quiz test competition of moral analysis. Rimsha Mannan, first person goes to Rimsha Mannan. Second position holder Naziba Salsabil from standard 7. Rimsha Mannan, Naziba is here, Salsabil from standard 7. And Nazib Sampurna, Navratan Sampurna, moving to standard 8. Quiz competition on ethics and moral values. First person goes to Shahir Umami. Shahir Umami, are you here? Second person goes to Arif Imtinal Chaudhary. Arif, okay. Shahir Umami is here. And second person goes to Arif Imtinal Chaudhary. Congratulations. Ayat bint Rabbani, third position holder. Ayat bint Rabbani, are you here? Husband Rabbani.
Okay, now for time for class 9. For the quiz competition, the first position goes to Ishwar bin Qasim of class 9. Class 9. Ishwar bin Qasim, congratulations. The second position goes to undoubtedly Sibtain Iftekhar. And the third position goes to SM Wasi Azam. Congratulations for voluntarily participating. Now, quiz test competition class 10. The first position goes to Sauban Rahman. Sauban, congratulations. And Samia Sultana, third position. Third position goes to Samia Sultana.
Storytelling competition on moral values. First position, second position goes to Atifa Rahman. Atifa Rahman, second position holder. And third position goes to Safwana Sabin Sina. Storytelling competition on moral values. Nivid Dash, first position holder from 4th Flamingo. Second position goes to Tahan Siddiqui. And third position goes to Wadi Shahid bin Hussein. It was a tough competition. Okay, now moral values storytelling competition. First person goes to Seja Farda Khan. Okay, now second person goes to Syed Saifan Mazoub. And third person goes to Karima Binti Raihan. Standard 6, storytelling competition on moral values. Syed Sadman Arab, first position. Syed Sadman Arab. Second position goes to Naziba bin Rashid. Naziba bin Rashid, standard 6. And third position goes to Muhammad Fatin Hussein. Okay, storytelling competition on moral values. First position goes to Ash Wafi Rusho, standard 7. Ash Wafi, standard 7. Ryan Yamin, second position holder. And third position goes to Faizan Ahmed.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we move to role play competition 6 and 7. The first position goes to Washfia Aisha, basing on moral values and ethics. Washfia Aisha, the first position, congratulations. Ishal Rahman, second position. Second position goes to Ishal Rahman. And the third position goes to Intishar Rahman. And Intishar Rahman. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have, within a very short notice, we have arranged a debate competition also. The winning team is Mirsab Munaf of class 9, SN Wasi Azam and Nangin Farwa of class 11. I take pride to say that Mirsab Munaf is now a national debater and will be representing Bangladesh, will be representing the nation worldwide. He will shortly visit Vietnam and Brazil. Congratulations, Mirsab. And the runners-up team is Zawad Mahmoud, Fardin Ehsan Anab and Sarah Anjum. And Sarah Anjum Subha. Sarah Anjum Subha. The motion was the toughest one, though they debated brilliantly. The motion was this house prefers a world governed by utilitarian ethics over one governed by deontological ethics. And they have done a fantastic job. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was from our prize distribution ceremony of the first phase of Annual Athletic Meet 2026.
Camera. Very well done. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, Sheikh. Hello. Hello.
Now, I Brigadier General Muhammad Rufus Islam to please say a few words for us. Ladies and gentlemen, the principal.
The parents, it's a long wait, I know. You heard about everything. So I will speak my words in final day. I hope that all of you will come that day. I just want to mention that children learning maths, physics, literature is good. But the school's main purpose is to teach life skill. Life skill comes from schooling every day, and above that, co-curricular and extracurricular activity. I want to remind you, please push your children, inspire them to join all these events that teach them the life skill. The games team, the vice principals, the event coordinator, Ms. Mahima, and those who have been, and all the teachers who have developed the parade, the musical events, that was a tireless effort. On this sun, they have been practicing every day. So, special thanks to all of them in building the next generation. Thank you very much.